The story between this young man and this young woman you are seeing here is terrible. Now listen and tell me, if this matter is brought to your table, what are you going to judge? And again, will you say that this young man is heartless or he is smart? These two people wey una dey see for here, they were dating. Now, when you look at this young lady, you will see that her age don already go up. Say she is no longer small pikin. So this young man now approached her and both of them started dating. This young man kept on telling her that he loved her, he loved her, he loved her. Then, after 6 months of their dating, this young man now told her that he was sick, which she took this young man to the hospital and they diagnosed him of kidney failure. So they need to do a kidney transplant as soon as possible. And this young man, he no get money for that kind thing. He no get money, no get hope. As this young lady come see say, if he leave this young guy, say he go die because money no dey, no hope. And the girl herself, she dey do well and she came out from a rich family. She come decide say make doctor shake her, make doctor see whether her own kidney go match with this young man kidney. As they shake am, e come be say her kidney match with this young man kidney, and she willingly told the doctor that she is free to give out one of her kidney to this young man. Now, the challenge now becomes the money involved. She said that she now used her family house and then borrowed money from the company that she works. According to her, she talk say she don work for that company for a long time. So when she begged them for that loan, they gave her, and the loan is 30 million naira. Now, when she collected the loan, she also used the money she had in her account, did some preparations, prepare her own paper and the paper of this young man you are seeing here. Both of them now fly abroad. And they collected one of her kidney and they gave it to this young man, and everything was fine. So when this young man was at the process of recovery, she then decided to come back to Nigeria first and then continue with her job. You know now, as a woman wey be say she collected that huge loan from her company, at least she has to try her best to make sure say she continue with her job and then pay the money small small, so that in family house no go just like that. So she don say as she come back to Nigeria, say she dey communicate with this young man through WhatsApp steady. She said that 3 months later, this young man returned back to Nigeria, but he refused to inform her that she was back, and this is where the problem starts. This woman talk say one day she went to supermarket to buy something, and to her greatest surprise, she saw this young man in that supermarket. She thought that at first when she saw him, she thought that she had seen a ghost, because she had been talking with the guy and the guy have not told her that he has come back to Nigeria. She wasn't expecting to see him. At first, she thought that out of that fear, she thought that maybe did something happen to him there. Well, I know say at times when someone's loved one die and the person wey in love never know say in die, e fit disappear, control himself to that person for the last time. So e think say na wetin dey sup. Say as at this point wey be say she been dey battle with her spirit, whether na this young man na im see abi na ghost. Say the young man don see am o, but as he see am, he no behave like say he know am. Say she come summon courage, come be say even if say na ghost be this, as him don see me, him suppose disappear So as it never disappear, which means not be ghost to be this, and beside people dey here, make she summon courage go meet am. As she go closer, e come be say true true na him. Na so e begin dey ask am, na you be this? When did you return back? How come you come back, you no gree tell me wetin happen? Na so the young man come tell am, even if say I don return back I no tell you, and so what? Na like this lady come know say water don pass garri. If him begin dey go close to this young man, e no dey gree am make him go come close to am. Even she talk say for that supermarket, say him walk away, him just walk away comot from her, like say he no know am, or like say nothing happen. So she dey try call am, ask am, did I do anything wrong to you? How can you be treating me like this? How can you do this to me after all I did for you? Say the young man no dey even behave like say human being dey talk to am. Na so she come begin do back underground shake, come discover say this young man has been married for 7 years with 3 children. Na so this lady come approach am, come tell am say, so you deceived me. When you came to me, I told you that I'm tired of heartbreak. You said you are not going to break my heart. You made me to give you my kidney, knowing fully well that you are married. I thought the reason why you came to me is for us to get married. And when I was giving you my kidney, I thought I was giving it to the man that was going to marry me. That was when the girl started crying. And along the line, as it stands like this, she dey demand for her kidney back. Make him please give am him kidney back. And the 30 million when him go borrow, say make him give am the 30 million back, so that him go collect back in family house. Then the money wey dey for account wey she don spend because of you, make that one go. Say that 30 million na her kidney, na wetin she want now. The young man, even as they carry the matter go for settlement or how to settle the whole thing, the young man come dey talk say, you help me, how come you help me? Come dey attach something to it. Okay, you give me your kidney, must I marry you because say you give me your kidney? Omo, na this matter na still dey on now, and na make I carry am come give una. As in, I no understand. Does it mean this young man is just smart, or he is heartless? And if to say they carry this matter come your table, what are you going to judge? Will you tell this young man to give this young woman her kidney back, including the 30 million? Or will you tell the young woman to forgive and forget about everything that she had done for this young man? Please tell us at the comment section. Una see for this life where we dey, wahala no dey finish.